Hi everyone! Welcome back to Teaching from a Distance. If this is your first time joining us, my name is Danielle Polk and I'm a literacy coach. In this episode, we are going to talk about presentation mode in Google Meet. If you missed the episode where we created a Meet in our Google Classroom, I will leave a link to that episode in the description box below. Using presentation mode is a wonderful way to interact with your students and create more effective discussions. We can present a slideshow, we can interact with our students using a Jamboard, we can show videos, we can use Padlet, we can share files and have our students work on the same file simultaneously with us. So let's get presenting. We're going to join our meeting and present a Jamboard to our students so that we can interact. I'm going to click on the icon that says join now, and I'm going to join our meet. And here we are. Down at the bottom, we have this option that says present now. When we click on that, we have the option to present our whole screen, a new window, or a Chrome tab. Because my Jamboard is up at the top at that other tab, I'm going to click on my main idea Google Jamboard and then press share. Now you can see that my Jamboard is being shared in my Meet to my students. I can click on this link here when I'm done presenting the Jamboard. I can move my sticky notes around, and I can even share this Jamboard with my students and have them edit along with me. I'm going to copy and paste my Jamboard into the chat room. I'm going to click back on the Meet chat. And I'm going to paste the link into the chat. Now, when my students click on this link, it will take them back into the Jamboard and we will all be able to work on our task together. One of the issues that we face when we're using presentation mode is we can't see our students while we present. So we are going to shrink our screen and open up a new window so that we can present and see our students as well. We're going to do this by first shrinking this window by clicking on the Restore Down tab. You can see now that my screen is half the size of my computer. When I go over to my snowman or three dots, we click on that and we have the new window option. You can also press Control-N. When we click on that, it will open up a new window and we can drag it over and now our screen is split. If your screen does not look like this right away, you can change the sizing by hovering over the corner and dragging the arrows. Just hold your mouse or your cursor down and drag. So now that we're in our two windows, I'm going to open up my Jam that I'm using with my students. Because it's the same code, you can see that we can then edit and move around simultaneously. So let's drag this sticky note and you can see that it follows me on the Jam. So because we had copied and pasted this into our chat, our students can do the same thing as well. So if I go back into my Meet, I can go into my presentation mode or my view and I can see my students now. So I can work on my Jamboard on the right-hand side of the screen and interact with my students on the left. There's so much that we can do with Google Meet. So if there's anything that you see in this episode today that you would like discussed in further detail or demonstrated, please leave me a comment or send me an email to dpolk@carneyschools.com. We thank you so much for joining us and we will see you next time from a distance.